It was a day of tragedies. At least 9 people were killed after a crane malfunctioned at a construction site in Hurlingham, Nairobi this afternoon. One other person was critically injured following the afternoon accident. Naomi Sampao reports on this tragedy.
The towering Kwetu building was approaching its final stages of construction and technicians were dismantling the crane around midday.
Kitu kama saa 6:30 tunasikia kama vitu zinatoka juu kama zinaanguka chini. Sasa wakati tulisikia tu ya kwanza, ya pili, hadi sisi wenye tulikuwa hapo chini tukashtuka ni nini na happen. Ikabidi tujiondoe tukimbie kwanza ndio tujue, turudi baadaye tujue nini imeendelea. Kuanzia leo walikuwa wanaanza kutoanisha hiyo crane wateremshe itoke kwa site. Na ndio hiyo ajali ka happen.
So ilikuwa ghorofa ya 14.
Ghorofa ni 14.
There was frustration at the pace of rescue operations. The National Construction Authority is investigating the matter. The Chinese company in charge of the construction site confirmed the unfortunate incident, condoling with the affected family as they gave an assurance of cooperation with relevant authorities investigating the matter. Naomi Sampao, NTV.